Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Ottawa, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving can be a stressful process. Be it a house, apartment, or an office, there's a lot that needs to be considered when it comes to relocating to a new place. Luckily, 3 Movers offers you a comprehensive suite of moving services in the area of Ottawa, Canada. From long distance to local, we offer a wide variety of services for residential and commercial customers. Our experienced and professional personnel will provide you with the best moving services available, making sure your goods will arrive safely at your new location. For long-distance moves, weight is a critical component. Moving companies in Canada are required to measure the weight of your items on the truck and provide you with a ticket that verifies the amount of weight. This can be used to compare estimates between companies based on a per-pound quote. Distance is a big factor when it comes to cost, but in most local moves, the distance is typically less than 100 miles. Because of this, most of the cost would go to labor and not the driving time. Therefore, the cost will comprise an hourly rate, including the loading and unloading time. If you pack and organize as much as possible, it will help reduce the cost of moving. It's also a good idea to dispose of any items that you no longer need, as it will help reduce the costs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ottawa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.